Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Key in Tower Heroes, easy method. Open Tower Heroes, go to Events, select the Alpha Challenge, and complete the required objectives quickly to earn progress and claim your Alpha Key as soon as it appears in Rewards. Use energy efficiently, replay short stages, and monitor timers so you never miss the limited window to grab the key and move on with your collection. To speed runs, focus on short, repeatable stages and set a clear rotation for completing objectives so you waste no time. Equip low-cost towers and the strongest single target options to clear waves fast, then immediately restart the stage for another completion. Keep an eye on event timers and daily resets so you prioritize runs when energy regenerates, and use any bonus boosts or double drops to get the Alpha Key sooner. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more guides. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for snacks between runs and marathon grinding sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can pick them up if you like what you see and enjoy simpler game days with better snacks. Now let's get back to the video. Build a consistent team that clears waves predictably, mixing area damage and single target towers to secure fast completions. Hold on to boosts and potions until you can dedicate a focused play session to the Alpha Challenge, which increases your chance of finishing objectives without waste. If a stage is predictable, use auto battle to chain runs quickly, but watch for failures and manually correct strategies when needed to keep your completion rate high.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.